Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a clickable button or menu on Wix.com that will lead your visitors straight to a gallery or any page you want, whether it's a fun quiz, your portfolio, or just a special feature you want people to find easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working button on your Wix website, designed and linked just the way you want it, adding that engaging, interactive touch to your site that keeps visitors coming back. Let's dive right in. First, go to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main workspace for building and tweaking your website. If you haven't logged in yet, just head to Wix.com and log into your account. Then choose the site you're working on. You'll see the editor open up with all your pages and tools easily accessible. It can look a bit busy at first, but don't worry. After a few times, you'll feel right at home here. Next up, we're going to add a button to your page. In the toolbar on the left, look for the little plus sign that says Add. Click that, and you'll get a panel with all sorts of elements you can add, from text to images to shapes, and of course, buttons. Click Button and drag your chosen style onto your page. You can drop it wherever it makes sense for your visitors, maybe right up top for a bold call to action, or nestled next to a gallery preview. Now, let's personalize your button. Double-click on the button, or simply click once and look for the Change Text option. Type in Fruit Quiz, or whatever you want to call it. The point here is to use a label that makes it clear and inviting for your visitors to click. Think of it like a signpost. It should be simple, specific, and direct. Once you've added your button, you'll want to style it so that it fits with your site's look and feel. In the menu, select the button element again and check out the design settings. Wix gives you a bunch of templates. Feel free to experiment. Maybe a modern rounded button for a quiz, or a more ornate style for an art gallery. Changing the template is fast, and you're not locked in, so take your time to see what feels right. Remember, good design guides the user's attention, so choose a style and color that stands out, but still matches your site's theme. Now, go ahead and rename your button if you didn't do that earlier. Just click the text area and type exactly what you want your visitors to see. Even small tweaks here can help your button be more effective. Think about what'll make someone curious or eager to click. Next comes the key part, making your button work. With the button selected, use the link option that pops up nearby, or in the main settings. Here, you'll see choices like linking to a web address, a page, or a specific section. In this case, we want to link it to a section, so select that option. Choose the section of your site that contains your fruit quiz, or whatever gallery or feature you want users to visit. Wix will highlight the available sections, making it pretty straightforward to select the right one. Once you've picked your target section, click OK to confirm. Almost there. To make sure everything's working, click the Preview button up top. This lets you experience your site just like a visitor would. Try clicking your new button. It should instantly take you to the fruit quiz section or your chosen gallery. If it's not quite right, go back and double-check the link target. Sometimes a tiny misclick can send the button to the wrong spot, but fixing it is quick. And there you have it. You've just added an interactive, clickable button that guides your visitors exactly where you want them to go. A perfect way to highlight new features or boost engagement on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd love to see covered next, make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow web building guides and tips, and thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.